Alright guys, we're out here by the Bitter Springs Trail. It's a backcountry byway right outside Valley of Fire State Park. So let's see what we got going on. This is the Bitter Springs Backcountry Byway. It's kind of a tongue twister. This is a 28-mile unpaved road through the desert foothills of the Muddy Mountains. The terrain is rocky, dotted with dry washes and colorful sandstone. There's a lot of cool rock formations throughout this byway. Driving straight through, count on somewhere around 3 hours, maybe even a little more. If planning on walking around and doing some hiking, you could easily make a day trip out of this. Be careful though, coming out here in summer. This region gets crazy hot and borderline miserable. The best time to come out here and do this would probably be any season except for summer. Definitely keep an eye on your car's gauges because you're not going to have cell service a lot of this trip. If you look online, some websites say this is an easy trail, while some say moderate. I would definitely say it's more moderate than it is easy. There's some obstacles you have to look out for. If you've never been stuck in sand before, well, that's not too fun. So just be mindful of these things. I did this entire trail in two-wheel drive. Higher ground clearance on your vehicle, the better. but don't come out here expecting to do this in a car. If you're doing this in the summer, definitely bring at least a gallon per person of water or hydrating liquids, as it gets hot out here. The entire time I was out here, I saw 2 people. So depending on the day, you might see no one, or you might see some Jeeps running trails out here. If you're in the area and you're looking for a free trail to do and just enjoy nature, I would definitely recommend this trail. This trail is definitely kind of a hidden gem. Before you get into the mountains, it doesn't look like it would be very much, but once you get back into the mountains, it's actually really scenic. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the subscribe and like button, and I'll have more coming your way.